Bali, this is my third flight of my XKK 170. So after office hour, yung paliliparin ko naman kasi hindi pa rin ako maka-get over sa kanyang beauty of flying. Kasi yun nga, brushless motor and very powerful, and of course very nice design because syempre Black Hawk siya. Very nice scale design. So one more, pagsasawaan ko muna siya. Mahirap lang yan. Yan, before siya, okay. So nasa binding process tayo, up down para mag connect siya. Okay, connected na or bound na. So gagawin ko, tatakipan ko yung niya, yung canopy. May konting hangin, which is maganda kasi ito yung hinahanap-hanap ko. And yun, tatakipan ko na siya. Yan. Right, yun. May takip na. Ayan, babalik ko yung takip niya. So sa mabilisan lang kasi medyo takip silim na. Okay. Ayan na. Medyo takip silim na Yan, hindi ko na patatagalin to. Maganda. XKK 170 Black Hawk. Ayan. Yung mga kabataan doon. Ayan to, kagandahan niya. Saka ipapalubog na yung araw, kaya di ko na patatagalin pa. So I will make it a bit rush. Ayan. So Black Hawk. Okay, saan ba ako? Ayan, second rate ulit. Alright. Okay. Ayan, may konting breeze. Uy, ganda. Right. Ayun, may mga dun. Ayun yung Black Hawk 1, yun. So di ko siya palalayuin masyado. Second rate. Ayun, di pa rin ako maka-get over dito, kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung palipad ko. And this is my third official flight with this aircraft, Black Hawk 1. Maganda, of course. Yung design is superb. Excellent design, maganda. Ganda yung design, very nice. And yung nakikita ko lang dito na medyo negative is yung niya, yung pinakamaterial niya is very is not that premium material. Medyo siya, medyo malambot, soft, not that premium, because siguro to cut the cost down, kaya naging affordable siya kasi gumamit ng hindi ganun ka premium na material. But overall, maganda pa rin, excellent flyer pa rin, and design is very nice nga. Yun nga lang talaga yun ang nakita ko lang na negative sa kanya is yung niya lang, yung material is soft and medyo manipis. But overall, sa design and functionality, everything, 2 thumbs up. Ganda. 2 thumbs up. Yung design niya is very good looking, very nice. Scale model. Di ko lang sure kung anong scale model nito or yung proportion niya, kung 1 is 132 scale model or not sure. Yung isa kong yung C138 ko na Bell 206 is I think 138 yun, 138 model or scale. Ito ganda rin. Yan, second rate, responsive and reactive. May very slight breeze, but Ayan, may konting hangin, super konting hangin lang. Uy. Very positive yung review ko dito. Excellent, excellent guys. Brushless motor and affordable of course. And of course yung design is very nice talaga. Very attractive, very nice looking, very good looking design. Ang bilis. Maganda, fasto. Kaya kaso lang I just don't want to fly this in a fast mode because ayoko lang. I just want to enjoy the beauty of this and I want to enjoy the moment of flying this aircraft. Mabilis siya kung sa mabilis, pero yun nga, okay na to, medyo ano lang kasi di ba helicopter, wala namang sobrang bilis na helicopter na lumilipad na parang jet. Ano lang talaga siya, banayad lang yung ano niya, yung lipad. Ang ganda. Nice oh. Very nice. And talaga yung ano, yung very noticeable yung ano, yung motor niya. Yung motor niya is very obvious when it comes to power delivery. You can really feel and hear the power of its motor talaga. Brushless motor. Ganda oh. Very nice scale flying. Talaga napaka-positive ng ano ko dito. Ng review ko dito. And yung ano, yung motor niya, I mean yung blade niya is 4-bladed, so very excellent flyer, very stable. 6-axis gyro and altitude hold. Very nice. Excellent for beginner and of course mga enthusiast. Not just for the beginners but sa mga may hilig talaga, mga hobbyist. Saka maganda dito, may ano to, may stand, pwede mo siyang ipang display sa desk or sa aparador, cabinet pagka hindi mo siya gagamitin. Pwede pang ano, pang display at the same time sa table, sa desk. Ang ganda oh. Nagbi-blink na. Nagbi-blink na siya, baka lobat na or low voltage na. Ganda oh. Isang hataw nga. Kaso lobat na siya eh. Baka biglang umano. Ooh. Baka biglang low voltage, biglang bumagsak. Kasi ito yun, biglang bumabagsak kasi ano yun, malakas yung power discharge ng battery niya eh. Malakas yung power discharge niya eh. 3.7 volts, I think 20C yung discharge niya, which is malakas, kaya mabilis din mawala ng power yung ano niya, yung battery. Mabilis din ma-drain because of discharge rate niya. It's malakas yung discharge rate. Okay, nice. Excellent. Yan, tulad na sinabi ko, malakas yung discharge rate niya, kaya malakas yung battery niya eh. Kumbaga sa pipe, malaki yung butas niya. Yung diameter ng butas niya is malaki, kaya malakas yung ano niya, yung power na pinoproduce. Yun, sarap. Yun, third flight ng aking XKK 170 Blackhawk UH 6PL. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Thumbs up, thumbs up.